Alright guys, here we go. This is Unparalleled break number 1. We'll just call it number 1 here. I have 3 boxes total. Ryan, Corey, John, Chris, Roy, fake news, Craig. Alright, 5 times fired up. Fired up. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Ryan Z, you're on top. Fake news, you're on the bottom. 5 times. Ryan Z, AFC North, Chris, NFC North, fake news, AFC South, Craig, NFC South, Corey, AFC East, Roy, NFC East, John, AFC West, fake news, NFC West. Alright guys, here's your divisions. Any trades? Fake news, gotta like that NFC West. Any trades? Y'all ready to go? Alright, good to go. Let's go. Alright guys, good luck. It has been a hot minute since we did some Unparalleled. Alright, so we got some Easton Stick rookie, Jared Stidham rookie, Chris Carson High Flyers, Whiteside rookie out of 129, Dalvin Cook, Jared Wilson, Godwin, and Bagley rookie. Alright, I might need some more sleeves after this. But AFC will be on the left and NFC will be on the right. Dalvin Cook. I'll just ship all the cards out. Eagles, Seahawks. Patriots. Very shiny. Alright. Alright. Hunter Renfrow rookie. Winovich. Michael Gallup jersey card. Touchdown out of 150. Montez Sweat out of 200. Ryan Fitzmagic, Dante Hillard, Everett, and Nick Foles. Alright, Hillard. Hypnotizing. Cue the music. Everett, Foles, Fitzmagic, Gallup. Montez Sweat, Winovich, Renfro, Randy Savage, Gary Jennings, auto David Knox for the Bills. David Knox, or Dawson Knox, Dawson's Creek, Dawson's Knox, you name it. Don't you hate that? Dawson Knox for the Bills. Randy Savage, Gary Jennings, Sonny Michel, Bobby McCain, Aaron Donald, Hall, Kroom. Okay. Alright, Sample, Farrell, Josh Jacobs, Jeff Wilson out of 200, Greg Olson, Devin White, Dalvin Cook, AJ Green. Cards all over the place. Butler, Scarlett, Cam Newton, Armstead at a 150, Dwayne Haskins rookie, Darwin James, Kirkwood, Joseph, Drew Lock rookie, Gaskin rookie, Stidman rookie revenue, Baker out of 75, DeAndre Baker, Broker, Lane, Johnson, and Geske. Okay. So Johnson, Geske, two Stidmans. Yeah, Stidman's hot right now, man. Stidman's hot, hot, hot. Drew Lockey Poo. Keith Kirkwood. I'm gonna have to grab some more cases. I didn't realize how many cards are in here. Carl Joseph, 64 cards. Carl Joseph, Haskins. Haskins, Darwin James. Alright, we got two more packs after this, guys. These are all freaking backwards. Armstead, King Butler. One hit per. One hit per. Alright, be right back. I gotta grab some more cases. Alright, Scarlett, Cam, Greg Olson. Dalvin Cook. Corey, you have the AFC East. Jeff Wilson. I picked him up on fantasy. He had a good game or two. One of those plug-in guys. See if fake news. You're not gonna watch the rest of it. Thornton, Sanders, Allen, J.J. Watt at a 125. Markel Lee, Thomas, Marvin Jones. Last pack's got the jersey auto in it. Jersey auto in the last one. Ken Allen, J.J. Watt. I got you. What time is it? Yeah. It's 2:30 here, man. I'm about to crash too. Keenan Allen. Alright. Unparalleled. Chris Godwin. Winovich, Calvin Ridley, Jarvis Landry. It's hard to tell which ones are numbered. Winovich, Ridley, Landry. Devin White. Justin Lane. Riley Ridley auto, NFC North going to Chris. And Andy Dalton out of 150. For the Bengals. Alright guys, nice stack of cards. These will all go out. The whole box. The hits, the main hits, a lot of number cards in here. NFC East, NFC North, AFC East. Alright, so let's go to mark those down. And then I'll see who's getting a free spot in the bonus break. We'll go from there. Alright guys, let's see what we got. Alright, AFC East. Corey, the Bills. NFC North, Chris. Bears. NFC East, Roy. Cowboys. Alright, 5 times guys. Whoever's on spot will get a free spot and a TriStar mini helmet. Free spot and a TriStar mini helmet bonus break. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Corey. Alright, Corey, you'll have a free spot in the bonus break 193. So essentially what you have is a free spot into a TriStar mini helmet. So you just have a... the thing is, I don't have them right now Unparalleled. So I'll let you know. Corey, if you have Facebook, I highly recommend joining the Facebook group. The link's down below in the description, man. And that way you can stay in the know and you know when your bonus break is. Alright guys, every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break, guys. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell, give the video a thumbs up, and check us out on Facebook and Instagram, P Sports Cards 24. Thanks.